Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute, in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very, very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the bulls made an extremely nice move today from when you consider where it closed to where yesterday to where it closed today. Everybody would agree, yeah, that was a very nice bounce on the bulls' part. But that does lead to the valid and logical question. Is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And it actually revolves around a level that I talked about yesterday, right here at 45 cents. And this leads to our first update, and this is just based on a foundational principle in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why do I say it in this case? Well, because it's going to help us answer that question. And the logic follows that price movements with true power, so a bounce that is actually a true bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is a bounce, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 45 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would be putting the price literally right back into this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 45 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the little kind of short-term one right here at 49 cents seems to be being pretty stubborn. But the overall one is just going to be that purple line up there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So those will be the two kind of public monies going into tomorrow. But no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now things transition into the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.